Alright, here we are. It's 5:30 a.m. Saturday morning, and we've decided to pull the trigger. We decided to go grab a 16. Been looking at a couple different 17s for a few weeks. Really wanted to grab a 17, and both the guys, well, one of them had kind of an issue with it, and the other guy just kind of gave me the runaround. So that's finally yesterday. He basically just told me, "Hey, dude, find another bike." I said, "Okay, whatever." So yeah, so debated on just grabbing a new 18. Not really wanting to pay $6K for a dirt bike right now, so gonna go pick up this 16 for around 4. So should be a pretty good deal. There's Calvin pulling in right now. We're gonna hop in the truck. We're gonna go pick up Cody, and we're gonna head to Marietta. It's about an hour and a half, and pick up this 16. So should be a fun day. Stick around. Come on, Calvin. Gotta go pick up the Yodes.
Night out of fishing.
Oh no, right?
We're gonna need the strip search. Sir, please remove your turban.
Meet your approval yet? Looks good to me. What do you think? Good deal?
Good deal. Looks good.
I need pretty quick. Or I do regular, so my 2 strokes will match.
Remember what happened last time?
Flashing up on my leg. Napkins. He comes walking out of the woods. AOMC to pick up some parts. The Supermoto one? It's
fat. It looks real fat. Good.
Yeah.
I need something wider. Those and that. I guess this one's just as wide. It's just the bag's covered up.
Yeah. See, I'd want the rally set up with the dual sport tires.
Dang, let's get that.
Huh?
Probably not cheap.
No, probably not.
Yeah, we rode that 6x motion.
I was gonna say, so you go up to that? Was it pretty sweet?
It was. It was a lot of fun.
Bike stand, same brand. They don't
Can't buy it.
They don't exist.
Yeah.
If they did, I mean, it's all titanium.
Oh yeah.
You wouldn't want to pay for it.
Hey, have you had issue with the composite subframes breaking on the Huskies? I heard somebody, I think it was on Pulp MX, it was some privateer on there talking, said he broke hundreds of those.
I know that when Thad switched, he was riding Hondas, and he was breaking subframes, and they were crashing the bike on the Hondas,
On the Hondas.
and had yet to break one on a Husky. I mean, any cartwheel motorcycle.
I don't know. I don't think I could justify one of those 450Ls for, it's like 10.5.
Yeah.
Same
When I could get an Africa Twin for 12.
Right.
You know, I guess
But
it
it
just
depends
depends
on
what
what
you're
you're riding.
doing with it. Yeah, I agree.
I mean,
What? Yeah. Hey. Bullshit. Went and ate B-dubs. And it's noon. Saturdays are for the boys. I'm gonna be home for 1. That's how you do it. Because Saturdays are for the go do what I want. You gotta take him with me. You just got Saturdays are for the guys.
Yeah, wait till you start changing diapers and doing that. You gotta change his diaper and he's gotta be able to stiffy.
So just got our home, guys. Just got done watching the Thunder Valley motocross race and came back out to look it over again. I rode it there just for a second. I really like it so far. I have rode a 16 before, once on a track and once on the turn track, but it had been a couple years. But I only got to ride this thing around the yard, and so far I already like it. It feels more nimble than any Cali 450 I've rode before. So it looks really clean, seems to run good. You know, I don't usually buy exhausts, but worked out a deal with the guy where he'd leave this on here, so it's pretty cool. He couldn't find his other front brake lever, so he left this cool Pro Taper unbreakable in there. And I'm going to get me a Works connection set up for the perch